All right, let's talk business economics. Here's a quick look at what you can expect to learn.
So how do they do it? Well, it takes a special way of thinking. That's business economics.
It's all about using economic theory to solve real business problems, helping managers make smarter calls.
So yeah, it's basically the bridge between abstract economic ideas and hands-on business management.
Okay, so the whole field really boils down to just one fundamental economic problem, a big one.
It all comes down to scarcity. We have endless wants, but only limited stuff to get them.
And because things are scarce, we have to make choices. Every single yes is also a no.
That no has a name, opportunity cost. It's the real cost, what you gave up for your choice.
So, to make the right choices, businesses got to understand the market. Let's look at what drives it.
You've got demand, which is what people want to buy, and supply, what companies are willing to sell.
And where they meet, that's what sets the prices. It's the engine of a market economy.
Okay, let's zoom in on the company. Managers are juggling these big questions every single day.
To get those answers, you have to dig into production and costs. It's all about efficiency.
A key tool is the production function. Seriously, just think of it like a recipe for your business.
And the end goal? For most companies, it's simple: maximum profit. But how do they get there?
Well, they're always looking for that sweet spot when the money coming in is way more than what's going out.
Right, but no business operates in a vacuum, you know? You've got to look at the bigger picture.
So you'll learn to use two lenses, micro for your own company and macro for the whole economy.
So here's your toolkit: analyzing demand, costs, pricing, and how you use your resources.
This quote nails it. It's really about learning a new way to think about business situations.
That's the real magic, turning theory into action. So the only question is, what's your first move?